Be nice. You're a bully, you know that? Don't be a bottom feeder. Be nice. And in your food. For you to fight him. Be nice. These are mourning doves, as you already don't know. They're fighting over my bird seed. You guys are terrible, you know that? Can't we all just get along? Look how pretty you are. Look at this spot. Be nice. Sharing is caring. Shitting all over my patio. You know who's got to clean that up? Guess who? Me. Or my madre. But it's okay. We like doing that stuff. Because it helps the community out. Not really. Hi. What you guys doing? You guys hiding? Woo! Hi, baby girl. Hi, big breast. Is that a turkey? Where's your babies? Did she throw away your babies? Where's your eggs? Look at that breast. Hi, beautiful. Look at this one trying to get me. Need some seeds, babe? Hi, babe. Ooh. Hi, beautiful. Hi, mamas. Hi, baby. There's eggs in that cage right there. Bottom and top. I don't know if you can see them. See the white one? There's two of those. They'll be gone tomorrow. Nothing to do with me, though. Hey, baby. Is that good? Want some seeds, babe? What are you doing, Sneaky? Want some birdseed? There you go, huh? These little critters. What are you doing on that walker? Want some seeds, babe? Hey, babe. Here you go. Eat up, sucker. You guys got fed. Look at that breast. We don't know you ate. Hey, guys. Look, they're in a row. And there's a ringneck dove. There's my little monkeys over there. Can't zoom in, huh? Be nice. I see you. Yeah, they're just lounging around enjoying the Sunday. They just got